Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy your first stock on Webull. First, download the Webull application from your preferred app store, whether it's for Apple or Android devices. Once installed, proceed to complete the account registration, which typically takes about 10 to 15 minutes. After your account is approved, you'll need to fund it. A minimum deposit of $50 is usually required to begin trading, so ensure you link a bank account for easy transfers. Now that your account is ready, it's time to find a stock. Navigate to the search bar, usually found at the top or bottom of the screen, and type in the name or ticker symbol of a company. Before buying, take some time to research its performance, looking at charts and financial news. It's often wise to start with a company whose business you understand well, perhaps one you use daily. Once you've chosen a stock, tap the Trade button. You'll then select Buy to initiate your purchase. Here, you can choose your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price. Decide how many shares you wish to buy, or, if you prefer, enter a dollar amount for fractional shares, which is a great option for beginners. Before finalizing, always review your order details one last time to ensure everything is correct, then confirm your purchase. Congratulations, you've bought your first stock. After your trade executes, you can monitor its performance in your portfolio section. Remember, investing involves risk, so keep an eye on your holdings and consider setting stop-loss or take-profit orders to manage potential gains and losses effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.